I'm dead serious. You put me on YouTube.
This is my wife.
And that's grounds for I don't know what. You're gonna sleep on the couch for a month.
Okay. This is my friend Chris. Say hi, Chris.
Hey.
Chris is helping me with my Jeep tonight. Because he knows more about mechanics than I do.
I don't know anything about mechanics.
Okay, then we're on the same page then.
Wait, I want to finish
Here's my
question.
nuts and washers. Not, I shouldn't say it like that. There's my wife. This is part 2. Chris doesn't want to make a video, but I do. What do we do first, Chris?
We turn on the heater.
We turn on the heater because if it ain't fun, we go inside.
Yeah.
We quit because this is about
That's
having
right.
fun. Do it. You know how to do it without burning your eyebrows off?
In the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring.
This is what happens when you get too close to
Don't want to start your pants on fire.
Right. Your pants on fire. You hurt your legs.
Learn from our mistakes.
Learn from our mistakes. That's what this is all about.
Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. We may have to drill some of those out. Or do you think you're getting them? Here, I'll help you.
He knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If then an old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up the lights.
Kind of a trick getting that out of there.
You just gotta finesse it.
Little finesse. A little finesse. Let's compare that to the new one we got.
Right.
Alright. So they always do what?
They always send instructions, but you just throw away anyways.
Who needs instructions?
So, the new sending unit
Does that look about right? I guess it does.
looks similar, just a lot newer.
This is right though? I guess so, yeah. It's
Just a
different-
float.
little different floaty thing on there. Yeah, this kind of floaty thing versus that floaty thing.
But there is 40 years difference there. Well, 35.
What do you think? 35. I can't really see the bottom of the tank. Maybe we ought to get a match or something.
Yeah.
Rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans, they play Creole. Creole.
A job well done, hey Chris?
Yep.
It's in. And like we say in the shop, we ain't having fun. What the heck? Warming ourselves by the fire.
That's right.
That's
After a
good
long,
thing.
hard day at work, you just gotta sit back and relax.
Back and relax.
So,
It's a good looking Jeep.
yeah.
It's nice from this angle. That's a pretty cool angle. It's the Jeep. So we just did all those nuts and bolts.
It'll be nicer when you're riding in it.
Just gotta hook up the gas lines now. Figure out the speedometer cable.
Yeah.
And then I'm ready to put the tub on. But that's another night, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's starting to feel like work now.
It's starting to feel like work.
Yeah, it's feeling like work. Till next time, that's CJ7 Frame Swap Part 2. Till next time. Wave, Chris.
Later.
Bye.